This is Dr. Guru Sahai Khalsa. I've created a series of videos for you to help with the stress and pressures of our times. Streaming is great, popcorn's great, but you can only do so much of that. And all it does is kind of distract you. It doesn't really rebuild you on the inside out, which is where we need to handle our stress. So we have meditation videos that I've created. We have some ideas on vitamins and minerals to eat and to take, and foods to eat or not to eat, things about how to drink properly, things about how to change your mind and your mind focus so that you can handle what's going on in your life now. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if there's other topics you want me to cover. I look forward to talking with you soon.